Hello, my dear gardeners. Look at my Lady of Shalott, a lovely lady in my garden. Well, while I'm enjoying all the blooms popping up in my garden, here is a question from the viewer who is worrying about her Kiss Me Kate rose. So here is a question. My two climbing roses, Kiss Me Kate, are 3-year-olds. I think this is the beginning of their 4th summer. Year 1 and 2, I tied the cane sideways on the trellis, which is supposed to be done right. About 4 or 5 canes to the right and left. So far so good, everything sounds good. But absolutely nothing is happening on those canes. No good lateral branches, only weak short stems with few unattractive leaves. It has many new canes from this year. So when I started to read about no good lateral canes, only weak short stems, I was thinking, maybe this Kiss Me Kate two climbing roses, they're growing in the shade, or maybe they're not watered, malnutritioned, and they don't want to produce those lateral shoots. There's lack of nutrients, right? But then, as the rosarian said, it has many new canes from this year that are already 2 meters, which is 6 feet tall, straight up with a bunch of roses that are getting ready to bloom soon. And then I said, okay, everything is good with those climbing roses, Kiss Me Kate, because first 2-3 years, our roses are trying to figure it out. And we can get impatient, I know. Here at the back, you see that climber right there? This is New Dawn. 3 years there, doing absolutely nothing. And I'm just patiently waiting and waiting, giving up on hope. But today, the blooms are starting to open and they look so good. And there would be so many of them. So finally, 4th year, and roses are starting to create a show, that powerful show, because their root system is strong enough. And now the climbers are sending those strong, tall, 2 meters, which is 6 feet tall stems. They're shooting, of course, up if the rose is strong stemmed, right? Like the generous gardener, Kiss Me Kate. And then there are little blooms at the top, the way the rose should behave. So this is a very good behavior from Kiss Me Kate. The viewer shouldn't worry about it. So the question is, should I get rid of the first group of canes I tied to the trellis 3 years ago and replace the new ones from this year? I'm totally confused because it is so much work. Well, I wouldn't advise to get rid of those canes because here comes the winter. And let's say that those long, beautiful new shoots are damaged for whatever reason. The rose snapped under the wind, the deer came in. You want to do all that trimming, recycling of canes during spring maintenance after the winter, where you see where damage is. This way, if something happens to those new canes, you can rely on smaller canes to carry the rose, to start collecting the sun rays, right? To have that leaf power. And I would not recommend to cut those lower canes right now, only after spring. I'm totally confused because it is so much work. Well, once you train those long new stems sideways, as lateral as you can, your rose will produce side shoots next year, and you will have blooms not only on top, but all the way through the side of the through the length of the stem. The same would happen to almost any rose if you let it go. For example, Lady of Shalott, if I train these long canes, which Lady of Shalott shoots later, in this direction there would be side shoots coming up. Even hybrid teas can be trained that way, although hybrid teas are stiff and long, and they just have different growing habit, right? Sometimes roses are in between climbers, short climbers and shrubs, so they can be treated that way. I'm growing 2 shrubs here, 18 inches apart, and looks like this year they are sharing this space all right, because as you know from previous years, from previous blooms, my Lady of Shalott, one bush was taking over the other. This year looks good, they're sharing well. And I'm very happy about it. Look how just beautiful it is. We have morning, all the roses are starting to open up from their night sleep, and they look quite happy. Well, this is a question from the viewer. She shouldn't worry about roses. Kiss Me Kate climbers are doing just exactly what they're supposed to do. Now they're shooting big long stems out, and the next year Kiss Me Kate would be covered with blooms, only if you train those stems horizontally. We'll see you in our next video. Happy gardening!